Crypto myths. I love these. I've actually heard one or two of these from friends of mine and people I meet when they're like, "Hey, you're Austin. You talk about crypto. What's this thing? Crypto is used for like bad things. It's the method that like criminals use to do stuff and blah blah blah." So I thought this was a great article and something that was worth a video, right? So five crypto myths no one should believe. Now, when I first saw this, or the title, I thought, oh, I thought it was going to be like five myths about Ripple XRP. I'm like, and I cover XRP on my channel all the time. By the way, if you haven't done so, hit that subscribe button, drop a like on this video, please. Tell me you love what I'm doing here by liking the video, like the video. There we go. Okay, so with that. No, this is a broader, these are five myths that are out there about crypto. And I thought these were really, really good because I personally have heard some of these. Let me know if you've heard any of these yourself. Also, drop in the comments below. What's a myth that you have heard out there about crypto? Okay, so with that, here we go real quick. So thought this was good. So Ripple challenges some of the widespread crypto myths, and they're talking about it. So they're looking to aim to dispel the crypto misconceptions. Myth one. Look, crypto is merely a trend. It's not going to last. It's just a trend. Seriously. I mean, blockchain technology, crypto, all that. I mean, no, 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 no. Ripple's argued that major brands like PayPal, Visa, and Starbucks have already incorporated crypto rewards for customers. Crypto is here. It's coming. We're just way early here, guys. We are way early here. Okay. You're just seeing everything, especially this currency model scenario. You're starting to see crypto has been embedded into every single back end crypto payment, major one out there, so that any online or brick and mortar business can take crypto. Okay. So again, it's not true. It's not a trend. It's something that's going to continue to get bigger and bigger and bigger. Okay. Crypto myth two is risky and volatile. I will agree with this one. Crypto is volatile. I mean, you see, on any given day, you might see 10, 20+% moves in any given direction. To me, I love that about crypto. I love that crypto is volatile. I mean, I'm okay with the roller coaster ride. You got to be okay with the move up and move down. And you can see kind of like in the overall market right now, we're up 1.3%. You've got Bitcoin moving up, et cetera. And so, but yeah, crypto is volatile. I don't think crypto is any more risky than stocks as long as you understand what it is you're doing. Buying Bitcoin or Ethereum or any of what I call the blue chips, like XRP, Cardano, et cetera, is not risky. They are not going anywhere. If you go buy risky brand new projects that just launched, yeah, there's risk there, but go into it eyes wide open. Understand that you may lose every single dollar of that, of that investment. Same thing applies to certain stocks out there. If you go buy stocks, people will tell you, is it risky to go buy Amazon and Apple? No. Is it risky to go buy, what do they call them? I think OTC, to go buy, penny stocks. Yeah, it is. It's inherently more risky to buy penny stocks or OTC stocks than it is to buy Amazon and Apple. It's the same thing of buying and owning Bitcoin versus buying a crypto project that just came out 10 minutes ago. Duh. But no, it's not any more risky than stocks in that context. Crypto is unsustainable. Myth number three. Come on, seriously? This is talking about the energy intensive processes and blah 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 blah. This thing has been ran into the ground, and you're starting to see major projects like Ethereum move to proof of stake, not proof of work, and all this kind of stuff. This is a massive one, and I'm glad it's kind of going away. Myth four. Crypto solutions are complex and problematic to adopt. Okay. I love this. Similar to the internet's early days, which required usability and connectivity improvements, the crypto industry has made significant progress in improving this. What did I say earlier? Crypto, you're early. This is early. Okay. So is there stuff that hasn't been figured out? Yep. Is it easy to use your crypto in your day-to-day kind of wallet transactions? If I just want to go buy something at the local convenience store, if I happen to want to use crypto, is it kind of a pain in the butt? Yeah, but that will change. I love this because, again, guys, I know old man comment. I'm 54 years old. I was here. I lived the early days of the internet, and the internet was a pain in the ass when it first came out. I remember all of it. I was in my late 20s, or yeah, something like that, when the 19, right there at late 90s to early 2000s, I saw every single bit of it. It's the same thing. Okay. Crypto lacks global regulatory clarity. I would agree. This is not a myth, but this is something that's out there, and regulatory clarity is coming, and will regulatory clarity, say that really fast, will it help crypto? Yep. Is it going to be a pain in the proverb backside? Yep. Is there going to be, issues with it? Yep. Is it going to be painful to go through it? Yep. I'm not, yes, but this too shall pass. Okay. So these are absolutely great 5 myths. So that's what I got for you. As always, thanks for your support. I'll see you. Go make some money.